We'll show you right now how we are surrounded with the snow. So we decided to walk here since people are walking in it anyway. So let's go. Join us. Don't forget to subscribe. Glenda Life Journey USA. Alright, here we go. At least we have our boots on and all our winter gear, gloves. Actually, my bonnet is in the car, but I have gloves in my pocket. So far so good. I'm not cold. But I have my coat on. See. Malaki mga paa. Diba? Mula hanggang doon lang napagod na kasi paano pataas. In summertime, it's nice to be here. There's a lot of table for picnic, but right now I don't think you can do picnic except if you're very brave enough to do picnic here and stay. I don't think you can stay long. And now we're gonna go for a walk to go to the parking lot where we park. We did not park here because if you park there, you're gonna pay. We found a place. We always park where it's free, and so we have a reason to walk. It's a good thing. Good for your health and your pocket. Right? Okay. Huh? Yep.
Picnic ground.
Oh, this is a picnic ground number 1. Please help keep grounds clean. Yeah. And see, there are people doing their biking, even it's winter time. How much more on summertime? There's so much more here, folks. Walking through the snow. Oh, yan tayo. Oh, kwento ka, Daddy. Anong kwento mo? Kwento ni Lola Basha. Duming bali namin. Ay nako. Nakakaya naman kasi magkwento eh. Meron tayong nasalubong mamaya na lang. Ayun yung nasalubong namin. Mga bata pa pala yun. Kasing bata namin nung bago pa lang kami kinasal. That was 25 years ago. Gano'n nakahaba. Silver na. Pati mga buhok namin silver na din. O diba? Oh, hindi nyo lang nakikita. Pero puti na talaga lahat ng mga buhok. Ganon pala pag ganitong edad. No? Napuputian na ang buhok. Silver. Oh, actually we're here in Minnehaha Park. And we came from the Minnehaha Falls. And this is Minnesota State. Our lovely Midwest state. One of the Midwest state. And here in Minnesota, there's 10,000 lakes. And 10,000 lakes, you won't be able to like see all of them in just a year. I don't know. We haven't been to all of them. Not even.
Officially, there's actually more than 12,000.
Oh, it's more than 12,000 actually, but they just consider only 10,000, I think. So that's what they call this Minnesota State, 10,000 lakes. So as you see there, plate number Minnesota, and then it says 10,000 lakes. Okay, let's continue walking. Oh, at least it's February 28th today, isn't it, Daddy? Is it the 28th?
27,
Sunday? 27.
27.
I'm not sure. I don't know anymore.
24 is Friday, right?
24, 25, 26. So it's only 26 today? Oh,
Maybe.
I know. We lost our date. See, we have a lot of snow. And we were watching a squirrel.
It's 26 today.
Yeah, 26 today. We're walking the dogs. And look at that nice tree. And there's a veterans home, Minneapolis here, Minneapolis Park and Recreation Board. Wabun Picnic Area, State of Minnesota, Veterans Home, Minneapolis. Okay, alright. It's actually nice today. It's 30 degrees, not as cold as it was. So 10 miles per hour for biking. Nice out. Yeah. See, ang taas ng ice kasing tangkad ko. As tall as me. O, diba? Ang ganda. Puting-puti. Ito lang yung kuhan. Maganda dito yung puti. Ito minsan lang ito. It's only last Thursday. Winter storm. The blizzard. We have a blizzard here actually a few days ago. And this created this much of the snow in just a day.
It's better if you walk faster.
If you walk faster, yeah. If you walk faster, you're sweating actually. So even it's snowing.
Faster.
Yeah. Here we are. Almost in the parking lot where we came from. That's where we went down at the back. Okay. On the way to the parking lot. Mga igurot. Native ng Baguio. Hello, mega love shout out. Taga Benguet. Paalaos-os kayo to yun ni Apo. Ay na. Sumakit lang ang tilikod ko. Oh. Timang ko ng tiimadan. Tilamiis. Oh, asitag kami ni Jay nagparkan mingan kaya namot ti magna dito inikot. Oh, kita aman ako sano ka nga to datoy. Gali ka tago ito ya. Oh, sadsalan ton akara na. Oh, sige. Lakad pa more for a shortcut. Ah! Whew! Grabe folks. Oh, anong nangyari na sa camera natin? Okay. 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 Oopsies. Mahulog pa ako ah. Ay madulas. Pa naman yung mga tuhod natin eh. Hindi na nagwo-work. Ganito na pala ang tumatanda ah. Pati mga tuhod. Kailangan nang ayusin ang paglalakad. Okay. Okay. Ang sakit play salik. Okay, mega love shout out Kabaluyan di Tanod Pangasinan. Si pare Pangasinan ja. Salamat ad si kayo. Ja sukulaan minatan. Paawat sulimami ad botol. Unya subilay midja. Uri kaya aya karakuli isno to. Hindi bali ata malikat sa totoo. Okay labat subilay. Anos labat. So, hindi man nakakaintindi ng Pangasinan. Mega love shout out ararama mo sa Ilocano. Mega love shout out sa Ilocano raya kamag anak tayo. Oh, nitan. Akasabi kamila. Wadya kamila apo. Alaman sa man sulugan mi balit. Oh, agi-agi. Oh, wadya la. Okay. Sige la sirin. Made it. Ayun, natutunaw ng mga isno. Ayan yung ka-date ko. Kain po tayo. Matatapos na pala kaming kumain sakalang nag-picture. So, oh well. Kakabusog ay yung pagkain kung nasa bowl na yun, no? Hindi ko nakain. Yung mushroom lang. Straw mushroom ang nagustuhan ko. Binigay ko pa kay Habi yung manok. It's cooked with coconut milk. Yung sa kanya,
Binigay ko sa iyo yung bowls para sabihin nila ko kumain lahat.
yung bones binigay sa akin lahat. Yung chicken wings lang ang medyo nakain ko din. Nakadalawa ako. Si Daddy nakalima. Ayun. Yung kanyang order may soup at saka ground beef with lettuce on the side and cucumber, pero hindi niya nagustuhan kasi masyadong maalat yung beef. Sana sinabi na namin para pinalitan nila saka na lang namin naalala nung matatapos na kami. Kumain na lang siya ng kumain with the rice kasi yung rice naman nila sweet rice, puti nga lang. Alright, well, anyway, hindi pa na. Okay, dati